Hello everyone. So let us start a new series of working with dates. And my first definition is to read a date from the user and validate it. Now, dates basically, when you enter a date, it is in human readable format. But system is not going to understand that date. Even after converting it into a date, it will be stored as a number. So we can do the same validation that is possible with numbers, that is using the isNaN function and validating whether the conversion is successful or not. So as a start, I've created a text box to read a date and I've called it in a variable. So right now the string that has been entered into the text box is stored in A and it is a string, it is not a date. So I would want to convert it into a date by using the new operator and using the date. I'm going to convert that string into a date. Now again, if the user has not entered correct value, then the conversion would fail. So you can actually go ahead and use in the isNaN because ultimately dates internally are represented as a number. So you can go ahead and throw an error, or if it is a date, you may do whatever validations you wish to work with on the dates. So let us try this thing. So most of the times we actually make an assumption that the date is correctly entered, but on the net you cannot be always sure. So let me enter a date like 26th of January 2022. I should get correct date. Now if I enter JEN, I should get error in input. So because when your string is actually converted into a date, it is not able to convert this format into a date. And when it is not able to convert it into an actual date, the value, special value NaN would be stored in B. And that is where I use the isNaN function to check whether the conversion is successful or not. Now, in case of all the validations, you will use this as a basic structure. And whatever validations you wish to perform will go in the else section. So I'll catch you in the next video with a new definition on dates.